Hello, guys. This is Gold Sniper here, and let's do the analysis of XAUUSD for 13th July, that is Thursday, tomorrow. Okay, so today was a fantastic day. Okay, yesterday's our analysis worked out fantabulously. Although our target came right in the morning itself, I'll show you how it came. Okay, which blundered our analysis a little bit, but overall, after the CPI data, all our analysis came together perfectly. Okay, so let's quickly do the analysis, and as you can see clearly on the daily chart, we have finally given a breakout above the trend line. Okay, you see here we were taking rejection on this trend line for a very long time. Okay, this is almost 2 months. Okay, we entered this channel at the this the date is 16th May 2023. Today is roughly 12th July. So 2 months gold has been consolidating within this channel. Okay, and finally after 2 months we have given a breakout about this channel. Okay, so such kinds of breakouts are very huge, and the targets, ideally on a technical analysis basis. Okay, how much the target should be, for that you need to do is a measure, okay, this channel length. So if I take a measurement of this channel length, okay, so the channel length, I will take, okay, blue line I will use, thick blue line. Okay, so this was the channel bottom and channel top, and I place above this breakout. Okay, so technically if you will see, the target should be somewhere around 1985 level. Okay, since the target is 1985, it will not go one shot like this. Okay, there has to be some pullbacks and all, but overall the trend is bullish. Okay, it has given a breakout. Okay, we if you want to for swing traders and all, if you want to enter this trade and you missed your entry over here, you can wait for a pullback, okay, to enter this trade. Now we will go to the hourly analysis, and but before that, what happened, what analysis I gave you, I just want to do a quick recap for you guys. Okay, so this was a plan I shared in my Telegram channel. That was yesterday night. Okay, so I had clearly written gold is bullish. It has formed a head and shoulder pattern on daily basis. See the head and shoulder pattern. I'll do it 4 hours so it is much more clear for you. Can you see the head and shoulder pattern? If not, if you are new to this, I'll draw it for you so you can again understand. Okay, for many days I'm telling this, we are forming a head and shoulder sort of pattern. Again, I will repeat it for you guys. Okay, so this here, right here, just give me a second. Yeah, this is the shoulder of the pattern. Okay, this was the left shoulder we formed. Okay, this was the head of the pattern. Okay, this again here was the right shoulder. Okay, we gave a breakout. We gave, you see here, we gave a breakout, then we gave a pullback, and then we again retested this trend line, gave a pullback, and then kaboom. You see, so it has been following a proper price action, as you can see the whole pattern. If you can see the head and shoulder pattern, breakout, pullback, again went to test the channel length, pullback, and then finally kaboom. So it's properly following our analysis. Okay, so just like how I said, okay, analysis is working out. Okay, and other than that, I'll just take you we'll go more of our analysis. Okay, just give me a second. What I said, I'm going to just show it to you. Okay, yeah. So the second thing I told, if gold consolidates tomorrow around 1930, buy for targets 1935 and 40. Now, what happened was I was expecting this 1935, 1940 breakout, especially the target of 1940 in the London session or the New York session. Okay, but what happened due to New Zealand's interest rate decision? Okay, gold already touched the target of 1930. That is early morning itself. So as you can see over here before the breakout, okay, in the early morning session itself, gold touched 1940. Okay, and it gave a correction. Okay, I had taken a buy trade here at 1940. Stop loss my hit around 1935. I again took a buy at 1935, and after consolidating here, okay, my stop loss was 1930. Okay, after the CPI data, I had before only I had given the targets of like as long as it is above 1930, our targets will, it doesn't break 1930, it will break 1940 and 45, it will go up. And you see the fantabulous rally, it has almost reached close to 1960. Okay, what a massive rally it is. Okay, here the our analysis I had written ki at each and every level you need to buy only. It's a buy on dips market, and exactly it went like that only. Okay, it was pure buy on dips market, and our analysis worked fantastic. Now, what can we do? We can do for tomorrow. Now, since this is a very huge breakout. Okay, now we are waiting for a pullback. Okay, it's a buy on dips market. Don't get me wrong, it's a buy on dips market. But where can we take the buy trade? Okay, ideally, what happens is in such a huge, ideally, we wait for a pullback at the trend line before it goes up. But since this breakout is way too strong, I don't think any time soon price is going to retest over here. So what we are going to do instead to to take the buy trade, we'll draw the Fibonacci. So if you will see the Fibonacci tool, and we draw it from the recent swing low to swing high, so you can see the value zone that where we can attempt potential buy. That is somewhere in the range of this you can take 1950. 1950 is a good is a psychological number also, we can say. Okay, it's like halfway between 2000 and 1900. Okay, so since this trend is very strong, so somewhere around 1950, 1948, it can attempt a reversal. Okay, to pull back and then go up. Okay, but other zones where you can attempt buy is like around 1946, 45. And if it comes down further, then the best place will be the 0.618 level, the golden Fibonacci number, which is 1943. So these are the levels where we this is our buy zone. I'll just mark this buy zone in a green so you can see it. Okay, so from 1915 I will take. Okay, from 1915 to like 1943. Okay, so this is going to be our buy zone. When if pullback comes in this region, we will attempt a buy. Okay, tomorrow if a pullback comes like around 1950 or something like that, attempt a buy for the targets of like 1955, 1960, like that. Okay, and on technical basis also, I told you the target is should be 1985. It's basically like how I projected the channel length on the on the chart. So so according to that, target is 1985. Okay, but now it's we are waiting for a pullback. The best place I will tell you to buy right gold, you can attempt a buy, is around like 1950. The second best place to attempt, sorry, the first best place to get the value for money buy, if gold comes at 1945, 44, definitely buy it. But I don't think it will come there. It will somewhere around 1950, it comes 1951, 52, it will try to reverse and go up. Okay, because it is super bullish now. So that's my analysis for today. But one more thing we'll do, we'll see the economic calendar if some important news is coming tomorrow, that can affect the gold chart. So I'll take here the economic calendar of investing.com, and let's see. Okay, what all is there any important data further coming today? No. Tomorrow, let's see. Tomorrow, any important data? So tomorrow there is the GDP data of UK. Okay, very unimportant data is there. Other than that, if you will see, there is the jobless claim and the PPI. So these two data can again affect the gold chart. Okay, but remember our view, we are waiting for a pullback. Okay, pullback in the zone which I marked for you guys, that is between 1950 to 1940, 40, somewhere 1950 to 1943. To re-enter the trade, we are going to look for buys only. Okay, because as the chart is super bullish. Moreover, if the bullishness can also be seen from the fact that the DXY, if you take the dollar index, okay, this is, sorry, this is Brent. I will show you dollar index. See, dollar index has crashed right now. The psychological, if I will show you the dollar index, see how bearish dollar has become. Okay, it's super weak right now. Okay, and if you will see this level of 100.59, last we came at this level. Okay, I'll show you last when this was. This was in the month of May 2022, when dollar started making, rally started beginning. Okay, so almost 1 year back, one year back, we were at this level. So if you will take the dollar chart, where our support is, if your 100 is a psychological support on the dollar chart. Okay, but the major support that I see in dollar is somewhere around like 98.50 now. That is the major support I can see on dollar. But I think it will try to take a support around 100 because it's a psychological number as well. All right. We'll look at euro USD also. Euro USD has also started rallying, okay, which is again positive for gold. And crude also, see, crude also is rising. This also is a sign that the dollar weakened. When dollar weakens, crude rises, and when crude rises, and when crude falls, dollar strengthens. It's a general principle. It doesn't happen 100% of the ways because there are many other factors involved, but generally speaking, I'm saying in a general sense. Okay, so I have described my plan for tomorrow. I'll be looking for buys, and a more detailed plan like I shared with you guys on Telegram channel yesterday. Today also I'll share it with you guys. So if you want my detailed plan, definitely join me in my Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in my under the video description. And if you are finding my analysis is very useful, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to invite some other people to my Telegram channel, also do share my Telegram channel link. Okay, so that's all I want to say then. Thank you, and let's hope we make profit tomorrow also. Okay, take care then. Bye.